Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Skoda Octavia SE L. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to a very impressive 65 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 44,000 miles and has been regularly serviced by Skoda. This particular colour is the metallic black magic and it's in good condition, fair to mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats are really comfy and supportive. As you can see, these are half leather and suede. There's a big armrest there in the centre for the front passengers, as well as 2 cup holders. Onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control, which is on the left-hand side of the steering wheel just there. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirrors and 4 window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a really good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. Really useful for larger children, should we say, or getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre as well. And as we open the tailgate to reveal the party piece on the Octavia, which has a really good sized boot there, goes back a long way, very similar to an estate, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a full-size spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also the car has rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.